Meaning of ham-fisted.
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 Ham-fisted. The term ham-fisted is an adjective used to describe someone who is clumsy, awkward, and lacking in finesse. It's a derogatory expression that suggests someone is heavy-handed and lacking in subtlety. When used to describe a person's actions or behaviors, it implies that they are inept and not skilled at the task they are attempting to perform. A ham-fisted approach may result in damage or destruction rather than the intended outcome. In summary, ham-fisted means lacking skill and finesse, and can result in negative consequences.